Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. It's a great time to be live. We're going to be talking about huge golden cross for Dogecoin, and could this be the beginning of a huge pump for Dogecoin? We're going to be talking about that. What's going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with the crypto? And don't forget, we got huge CPI data coming out in around about 12 hours from time of recording. So this is huge, guys. Absolutely huge. A lot of good things happening today, and I think the market's going to be looking pretty good. Don't forget to smash the likes. And don't forget, none of this is financial advice, just the OG analysis expressing my opinion. Go back and watch all of my other videos. So what's going on with the markets? We did see yesterday that the U.S. markets were pretty good. We did see the S&P up 1.68%. We did see the NASDAQ is up 2.43%, looking pretty good. That's another reason why we are seeing that Bitcoin did rebound out there. And Dow Jones was up a respected 1%, guys. So that is pretty good. Things are looking pretty good. Asia Pacific markets set to continue winning run as U.S. producer prices rise less than expected, guys. So we're seeing that CPI data could come in pretty positive out there. Hopefully it comes in positive. If that happens, it will be good for the broader markets, and crypto should pump, guys. So we have CPI coming out at 8:30 a.m. and that is approximately 12 hours from time of recording. What's going on with crypto right now? Overall, we're seeing pretty much the big boys like Dogecoin. Dogecoin is negative right now. Bitcoin is right now up 1.1%, but overall it's a bit of a mixed bag. We're seeing that Bitcoin is positive, but some of the altcoins are kind of going down, down. Seeing Bitcoin is up 1.78%. We're seeing that Ethereum is down, Solana is down. The altcoins are not doing so good out there, and we're seeing that the Dogecoin out there is also down as well. So not looking so good. Fear and greed still at 30. Remember, this contrarian indicator. This is a great time to be buying Bitcoin right now. A lot of the sentiment right now for Bitcoin is negative. A lot of it has to do with inflation and recession fears that are been circulating out there. So that's what's going on, guys. Did you know that 20% of U.S. citizens are canceling their summer vacations due to inflation, and nearly 50% are making other budget cuts to make ends meet? Per Fortune, guys. So yeah, things in the U.S. are not doing good at all. We're seeing so far Q3 Bitcoin returns minus 2.94%. We're seeing that Ethereum down almost 21%. So as you can see, Bitcoin is doing much better. That is why I always say it's very important to have a balanced portfolio. If you kept all your eggs in Ethereum, you would be down. So overall, don't forget to balance your portfolio out there. And what I mean by balancing your portfolio, that's pretty simple. If you look here, Bitcoin is up 1.96%. Ethereum is almost neutral. BNB is up. So balanced portfolio means 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and 25% in everything else. Solana is down. XRP is up. That is pretty good. We're seeing TON is up. Dogecoin is down. Cardano is up. Tron is up. Avalanche is up. Shiba is down. And talking about Shiba Inu, it looks like the Ryoshi had a huge announcement that came out as well. We'll cover that later. But overall, you want to have a mixed bag, guys. And I think portfolio, keep it in the top 50. I think you keep it in the top 50, you won't go wrong with that, So that's what I'm thinking. Bonk, look at Bonk, guys. Bonk is moving up into the top 50. So yeah, get Bonk, guys. Get Bonk. What's going on right now with Dogecoin? Dogecoin right now is down 1.7%. 1.57%, it's at 1063, but Dogecoin is still holding pretty strong. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin Golden Cross in a minute out there, so that is pretty good. Dogecoin ready for a major breakout, top analyst sound. So looks like Dogecoin, Dogecoin is doing what it's always been doing. We did have this huge breakout a couple years ago. Despite the recovery from recent market dips, Dogecoin is still far from its all-time high. Tell me the freak about it. 73.76 cents, which happened in May, right? We all know that. I was around when that happened, SNL days, guys. So one crypto analyst, Alan, he's still bullish. I'm still bullish. Look, in his latest analysis, Santana predicts that Dogecoin is on the track to reach an all-time high, potentially a skyrocketing $2.55 if this prediction holds true. That would represent a staggering 2,500% increase from its current price. huge breakout. And he's saying that we could see, you know, he believes that Dogecoin could hit $2.55 by 2025. Forecast also implies a 200% increase from its previous peak, guys. So that is pretty freaking awesome. You know, and he's saying, well, when is a good time to buy Dogecoin? You know, Alan doesn't stop predicting a massive price surge. He also offers advice on the best strategy for Dogecoin investors, guys. Remember, not the financial advice. His key piece of advice is to focus on the long-term, emphasize the importance of patience, strategic buying, rather than trying to time the markets and time the tops, guys. Because if you try to time the tops and bottoms, it's like catching a falling knife out there, guys. So he suggests that now is the time to buy Dogecoin, with the ideal selling point being in 2025. So he's saying, look, accumulate now and hold. He also says the specific price at which you buy Doge now is less important than simply getting it before the next big rally. And I believe the next big rally is coming, guys. He argues that as long as Dogecoin surpasses $1, early buyers will see profits regardless of when they entered the market, guys. So that is pretty good, guys. So yeah, so conclusion, 2,500% increase by 2025. Let's freaking get it, guys. So right now, if you take a look at the Dogecoin holders, right now we're seeing that, you know, the majority of Dogecoin holders are still in the profit, guys. That is what's going on. Meme coin market cap is up almost over 0.5% at 39 billion. That is pretty good. Bitcoin is kind of on its way. It's hitting this resistance, 60,785. We're going to get up there, guys. Definitely going to get up there. Expect some choppity chop. Ethereum is still below EMA ribbons. It's just doing its thing out there, guys. And guys, did you know, breaking Bitcoin news, Bitcoin exchange reserves have hit a 5-year low. Something has to give soon, guys. Something has to give soon. Look at the reserves, guys. It's the lowest it's ever been in 5 years. The price is going to soar. Supply shock and demand, guys. And also, we did see that Dogecoin did have a quick pump when DT and Elon Musk were live on X. So that was kind of interesting to see a pump. Elon Musk did repost that as well, guys. Don't forget, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there, get a NANO Leger, go down, check out my link out there, guys. Bitcoin Scholastic RSI has shown a highly possible rebound zone in the next few months. So we could see that we're still in kind of like accumulation phase right now. Last time I had this accumulation phase was in 2020, then we had a huge pump, guys. So we're seeing something mimicking what happened in 2020. If that happens, it could take Bitcoin all the way over $180,000, guys, in 2025. So, guys, not financial advice, but hold the phone, hold the phone. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is getting rejected at the 1065 level. We've got rejected a couple times, once, twice. I think we're going to get past that, and then we got a huge resistance at around about 11 cents, guys. So hopefully we can pop past that. But this is from Taylor Tardigrand. He's pretty positive. Says Dogecoin has as a breakdown on the monthly trend line. In history, Doge broke down the support in the same way just before the surge. So we did see this is a support zone here. In previous years, back in 2015, 2019, we did see that Dogecoin did break down the support, and then after that, it had a huge pump. Then, again, it repeated itself when we had the all-time highs, right? And now we're seeing very similar patterns. So Doge is ready for a bull run rally, and that kind of coincides with Alan's analysis of hitting 2,500%, guys. So Dogecoin alert, golden cross on the price chart means Doge will pump, guys. I think it's going to happen. Dogecoin possible bullish move. According to a coin market cap, Doge price increased about 6% in the last 7 days. That is pretty good. So we could see Dogecoin is about to hit a golden cross, and that is pretty good. And if that happens, we could see Dogecoin absolutely pumping, guys. So that's good news. That is good news out there. Let's get this golden cross. Let's make it happen, guys. So golden cross coming. Yeah, according to expert technical analysis, Doge is looking bullish as it moved above the 200-day exponential moving average on the weekly. So Doge is looking pretty good, 200% above the 200-day moving average. I'm starting like an old man out there, getting distracted out there. And then once again, guys, I'm sorry that I've not been making a lot of videos, going through some personal crap, you know. I don't want to talk about it, but it's happening. It's really distracting. A lot of vitriolic, toxic stuff is going back and forth out there. So, guys, bear with me. We're going to get through this. Also, too, we're seeing that whale moves 103 Doge to wallet. So, looks like this whale moved $103 million, 103 million Doge, and that's worth around about 11 million dollars, right? And what happened was they moved it from Bittrex to unknown wallet, so that is pretty good. Taking off exchange and hodling, that is positive news out there, guys. So Doge is looking bullish and has moved above the 200-day exponential moving average on the weekly time frame. Looking more likely we'll see a breakout soon, guys. So I'm feeling pretty good, guys. So guys, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Go back and watch all my videos, guys. I would appreciate it. It's a great time to be alive, guys, and be well, be blessed. Hug your wife, hug your kids, and show some freaking love out there, guys. And don't be toxic, don't be vitriolic, and don't threaten people. Be positive out there, because at the end of the day, life goes on. All right, I appreciate it. Peace out.